all, today I'll be going over the Beamery case analysis for you. What is Beamery? Beamery is a company that was started in 2013 by two brothers and their associate and was founded as Seed.Jobs, but is now known as Beamery. This company is a comprehensive talent management solution which offers hiring management processes through artificial intelligence software for their business clients. This company helps with all steps of the hiring process through their software, such as recruiting, hiring, mobility, new placements, and planning. This software became popular and the company had grown to 50 employees by 2017, when they also acquired 3 major accounts through Amazon, Facebook, and VMware. VMware was their first big contract and actually led them to expand their software by including marketing and campaigning tools to help their company's cultures get across. Then, by March of last year in 2023, Beamery had offered a complete technology suite for skill-based organizations. This was completed after they announced their new software, TalentGBT. This was the world's first HR technology-generated AI platform. So why would this company have any kind of problems? What kind of issues could this company face after getting so popular? Well, my partner Clay is going to tell you all about that today.
In the case study, the central issue is that Beamery must choose between continuing strategic partnerships or competing in their industry, meaning they would either remain in a tech stack or branch out to build their own stack, building new products and services to fulfill all of the customer's talent management needs. This is important because quick growth in their current industry will force them to decide soon, with many new entrants making their debut every day. Making a well thought out decision is important due to what is at stake for the company. If the issue is not resolved, the company could lose strategic partners, fail to innovate new products, and limit business growth. The important work Beamery does for the talent management space and companies could cease if these factors are realized. Results will promote growth and sustainability, keep up competitive advantage, and keep on the leading edge. All of these are great reasons to solve the central issue that faces Beamery. Now to CJ, who will present on 3 possible solutions to our issue.
So we've discussed the issues that Beamery is facing, and we've come up with 3 possible solutions. Solution 1 involves Beamery continuing to innovate and offer new software as a service to maintain a competitive advantage over its fellow competitors in the recruiting sector. Beamery can focus on enhancing its AI capabilities to offer more comprehensive talent analytics, such as predictive modeling for the workforce planning and advanced skills mapping. By expanding its product offerings, Beamery can meet evolving customer needs and differentiate itself in its competitive market. This approach includes integrating more robust learning and development tools to facilitate upskilling and reskilling within organizations, making Beamery indispensable for future workforce transformation. Solution 2. Beamery could target new markets and industries to drive growth. Beamery can target new markets and industries where its talent management solutions can add value, such as healthcare, manufacturing, and public sector operations. This involves tailoring their offerings to industry-specific needs and company compliance requirements. Expanding into those sectors could open up new revenue streams and help Beamery diversify its customer base. These strategies would reduce Beamery's dependence on a single market. Solution 3. Beamery can continue to focus more on strategic partnerships and consider acquisitions of companies on sectors worth further expansion. Forming strategic partnerships or pursuing acquisitions can help Beamery accelerate its growth and further innovation. Collaborating with learning platforms, HR tech companies, or AI specialists can enhance Beamery's technology stack. Acquisitions can provide access to new technologies, customers, segments, and talent, and give Beamery a jump start in entering new market segments. Strategic partnerships would enable Beamery to offer a more comprehensive end-to-end solution for companies and strengthen its market position with current and future clients. These strategies can help Beamery navigate through its future growth path and enable it to adapt to market change while maintaining a competitive advantage over would-be competitors.
Solution 3 will best suit Beamery's growing needs and strategic goals. In the past few years, the recruitment sector of IT has been growing quickly, and Beamery has continued to dominate. Talent management alone is expected to nearly double from 2022 to 2027. As firms continue to shift towards an online environment for recruitment and acquisition, Beamery will continue to serve a profitable and growing customer base. Because they have such a stronghold on their current field, it stands to reason that their best strategy is to diversify their portfolio and increase partnerships with specialists in desired sectors. Not only would this expand their current market, but it would also hedge against uncertainty by obtaining other income streams. With the cooperation of partners, Beamery will be able to draw on more resources when exploring those other ventures. This can give them a leg up in new markets or enforce their lead against currently competitive firms. Granted, both Solution 1 and 2 show merit and would definitely further the growth of the company. However, Solution 3 allows Beamery to continue to practice and strengthen their specialty while displaying controlled growth in new market segments. In the global market, it is hard to find success as a jack of all trades. There is simply too much specialization and subcontracting to become efficient at multiple separate industries. However, by using acquisitions and mergers to obtain stake in recruitment-related venture, like learning platforms, HR technology, AI specialists, etc., Beamery will effectively strengthen their existing specialty while making calculated advancements into auxiliary services. Solution 3 also employs the most corporate conservatism. This is a cost-effective elucidation that will require less commitment than Solution 2 and yield more lucrative results than Solution 1.
My name is Colt Himes, and I'll be doing the conclusion. As we know now, in 2013, two brothers started a talent management system that helps with the hiring process of different companies. The company that they created is called Beamery, and by the end of 2022, this company grew to $233 million, which earned them what is called unicorn status. However, when they did reach this point, it came with troubles, and Beamery was faced with a difficult decision to make. To keep competitive advantage in this market, they either had to stick to what they knew, which was the technology stack, or they had to branch out and diversify their portfolio. If they did not take advantage of this opportunity, they would potentially lose their reputation of being the most dominant force in this field. There were three solutions that our group came up with to help Beamery, and the first solution was that they develop a new SaaS system to maintain this competitive advantage. This specific approach would rely heavily on artificial intelligence and allow them to have a more predictive model for workforce planning. The second solution is that they could approach other markets such as the healthcare field in order to diversify their portfolio. This would allow them to stay dominant in their field due to the big names that they will partner with. And speaking of partnerships, the third approach for Beamery is to consider partnerships with other innovative learning organizations. This would allow them to have access to the newest technologies from other companies, and they would be able to bounce ideas off their partners, which could be mutually beneficial for both organizations. Our group decided to go with the third approach, and we think that it would be the most appropriate for Beamery. This approach makes the most sense because it would allow them to diversify their portfolio a lot easier with the help of their partners, and by doing so, they'll remain the most dominant force in this field and keep the competitive advantage that they're known for.